Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will tell you how to download any font you had seen or you had liked on the internet. First of all, go to the website DaFont. Its link is www.dafont.com. We will click on it and here you can find a ton of fonts you had liked. I think it's the best website for downloading any font you had seen on the internet because it has many fonts. You can see there are many categories like cartoon, comic, groovy, and there certainly will be the one you had also like this one, Chicken Pie. I like it a lot. Kudo Fun is also looking good. As I'm a programmer, so I like the font Hack, and it's also present here. Hack, it's used for programming. We'll see like there are calligraphy ones also present here. You can see that it's very worthy website. You will really like this. So this way you can download any font you had liked from the website www.dafont.com. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.